Hello children, welcome to grade 4 English. Today we are going to see the topic possessives, my, mine, your, yours. Children, let's see these sentences. I have forgotten my umbrella. Can you lend me yours for a few minutes? That's not your shirt, it's mine. Children, look at the pink letter word. Words like my, mine, your, yours are called possessives. Possessives are used to say that something belongs to somebody. Possessives are used to say that something belongs to somebody. Children, here are 6 pair of sentences. Compare the first and the second sentences in each. Listen. This is my book. This is my book. This book is mine. This book is mine. That is yours bag. That is yours bag. That bag is yours. That bag is yours. These are his CDs. These are his CDs. These CDs are his. These CDs are his. This is her rubber. This is her rubber. This rubber is hers. This rubber is hers. This is our house. This is our house. This house is ours. This house is ours. That is their garden. That is their garden. That garden is theirs. That garden is theirs. Children, the forms my, mine are used before nouns. The forms mine, yours, etc. are used without nouns after them. Again, you listen the sentence, children. You have understood. The forms my, yours, etc. are used before nouns. The forms mine, yours, etc. are used without nouns after them. The word his is used both before nouns and without nouns. Listen again, children. The word his is used both before nouns and without nouns. The word its is used only before nouns. The word its is used only before nouns. It has no forms to be used without nouns. Children, you must note this. I. My we used before nouns and then mine we used without nouns. Like that, you, your we used before nouns, yours used without nouns. He, his used before nouns, his used without nouns. Both same. Okay. She, her used before nouns, hers used without nouns. It, we used before nouns only, its. Okay, then we are used before nouns, ours used without nouns. They, their used before nouns, theirs used without nouns. Children, let's see our book exercise. Underline the correct form. Look at the first one. This is They give two options, my or mine, bag, not your or yours. What is the correct answer? This is my bag. This is my bag, not yours. yours, yours. Okay. Let's see the next one. She comes to my or mine house and I go to her or hers. She comes to my house and I go to hers. I go to hers. Ours favorite game is tennis and theirs is cricket. Our favorite game is tennis and theirs is cricket. Fourth one, theirs house is bigger than our or ours. Their house is bigger than ours. ours, ours. Okay. Then he has lost his pen. He has lost his pen. I have lent him my or mine. He has lost his pen. I have lent him mine. Children, let's try the next exercise. Complete the sentence in the way shown in first. So I gave her my phone number and she gave me hers. Children, I hope you will fill this. Thank you, children. We will meet in the next video.